Good afternoon. I wanted to show you how to make easy blackberry cobbler for the air fryer. So, first of all, you want to get one egg. I have two very small fairy eggs from our chickens that I've just started laying, but I would suggest getting one. Then we get half a cup of sugar with a small bit of brown sugar, but you don't have to. You can use any sugar substitute. Then you want to get half a cup of flour, some blackberries, one of these mixing bowls, the little pan. The first thing you want to do is to get the blackberries at the bottom. Now that I've got a few blackberries, you're going to want to put everything in. You want to put the sugar, the flour, and if you want, you can put vanilla in it. Be very careful. Then put it in. You can crack your egg. And my grandmother gave me this set when I was 5, and I still use it today, and it has a lot of baking tools like mixers, whisks, and other stuff. And then on to the next step. Tip, just like I spilled it, just remember to clean it up. Now that we have all the blackberries set in, and we have the dough, now we're gonna get this and cover all of this. So this is what it should look like. And now, time to put in the air fryer. So make sure your pan thing is in the middle and put this, it's very important to have this here, and then close it up. Select air fry and select 20 minutes. Now, do something like read a book. There you go. So now that's done, we want to open up the air fryer. Look at this. Yummy blackberry cobbler. I'm going to want to be very careful while taking it out. Put this back into the air fryer. And so with the complete blackberry cobbler, you can get some whipped cream. We made it homemade. And there's a Pamper Chef tools that you can use. And now you can take these off and use these whenever taking anything out of the air fryer. So now I'm gonna just take a piece out. It's trickier than it looks. then you can get some whipped cream. And put a bit of yummy whipped cream on top of it.